Tierra here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in and coming to hang out with me on this soap making adventure. We are doing a pumpkin soap today, my first pumpkin soap of the season, of the year. And you all know how I am with pumpkin. I go hardcore. I am a pumpkin fanatic and I go all out. So making a pumpkin soap, I have to put pumpkin in here. So that's what I'm going to start off by doing. I got some pumpkin puree, 100% pumpkin puree. It's probably like Libby's out of the can. Go ahead and put that into my oils. I also have some pumpkin seed powder. It's going to add a little bit of color as well. Put a little bit of that in there. I'm going to give that a mix before I add my lye solution, which is a mix of distilled water, sodium hydroxide lye, tussa silk, and sodium lactate. And my usual ingredients in my oils of coconut milk powder and kaolin clay. So let's give that a buzz. Split some of this off into these 2 cups. Into the first one I have some Orange Vibrance by Nurture Soap. And into this other one I have some titanium dioxide dispersed in water. And into the rest of the batter I'm not going to add anything. I'm going to let the color from the pumpkin and the pumpkin powder do its thing, and the fragrance oil I'm going to use also has about 2.3% vanillin in it, which will cause a bit of discoloration, and I'm just going to let it do its thing and factor that into the design. So let's give these a mix. Go ahead and add in my fragrance, which is a Gingersnap and Pumpkin by Crafter's Choice. Ooh, it even looks a little orange. It has notes of sugar crystals, ginger, and pumpkin pie. And it smells so spicy and warm and delectable. Yum. Alright, we'll hand mix them in. I'll get my molds over here and start pouring, and I'm thinking I'm going to do a chopstick swirl on this. Hopefully it behaves well. The reviews seemed good, and Wholesale Supplies Plus always lists, you know, whether or not it accelerates or discolors or rices, and it didn't say anything about misbehaving except that it does turn a light tan. And I am not worried about that, but holy moly, that's really orange. It smells so good though. What's going on top of this soap? Well, you guys, I made some cookies. Aren't they cute? These are little ginger snaps. I did make cookies. I did make these fake ones. We've got some little melt and pour pumpkins going on one side, and then I have some salt, sea salt, that I have tossed around in some copper penny mica. I thought it looked like a very nice ginger snap color. So these cookies that I've made here, I made with a mold that I made. So I've been experimenting with making my own molds lately with I think it's like the Amazing Putty. I'll leave the link for it down below. Got it off Amazon. And I did the cinnamon sticks with them, and I've made these cookies with them, and they look realistic. Sometimes you just can't find what you want, but if you have it laying around, what gets better than a real cookie shaped mold? Nothing does. So I went to the store to go get the Gingersnaps. People probably thought I was crazy because I'm like smushing the bag to see, are these too big? They have to be the right size. And I came home with a giant bag of Gingersnaps that I can't help but eat. When you don't need that many of them, I mean, what are you going to do? You use the few of them to make the mold, and then you're left over with this giant bag of Gingersnaps. And I went in there with the intent to get a special kind of Gingersnap. They usually come out with an apple pie or a pumpkin spice Gingersnap. And I've never bought them before, but I'm like, I'm going to buy Gingersnaps and I'm going to eat. They have to be special. Well, they didn't have them. So I've been shoving regular old Gingersnaps into my mouth. I don't even like Gingersnaps. I'm a soft cookie kind of gal. I don't even like Gingersnaps, but I can't help but eat them. My many trips to the bathroom during the night, and I wake up and walk around, I shove a Gingersnap in my mouth. And then I went to the store last night, and guess what they had? The apple spice, or the pumpkin spice, and the apple pie Gingersnap. So, you know, I had to buy those too. So I have 2 bags of Gingersnaps to eat. Typically I don't eat these things, even if I did like Gingersnaps. Oh well, I'm gonna splurge. I'm kind of using this pregnancy as a reason to eat anything I want. Took my glucose test the other day. I don't know if I passed it or I failed it, but I was really nervous about failing it, and so I'm guessing no news is good news. And I'm just going to continue on with my bad habits. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of these pumpkins on here. I'm going to put those salts on here, maybe give it a little bit of glitter. And that is the Gingersnap pumpkin soap. Yum. Little cookie crumbles on top of here. Let it sit for 24 hours. I'll come back and cut it. I will show you guys the inside. Alright, let's see what the inside of this looks like. I'm really hoping there are no glycerin rivers in here. That pumpkin did accelerate my batter. Oh no, we are good. Look at that. I was thinking it heated up and it was going to give me glycerin rivers. I really do hope as well that those colors really differentiate because the vanillin in there, and I want that, I guess, the main base of it to be a little darker. But we will let it sit before we take any pictures and see what we got. It smells really good. It smells delectable. Oh, I think I jinxed myself because when I got done making this soap yesterday, I got my test results for my glucose testing, my gestational diabetes screening, and I failed it. It was the 1 hour one, but I failed it by a mile, and so I'm just waiting to hear back from the doctor's office. And I am not a happy camper. I did cry a little bit. Maybe a lot of it. And there's just Gingersnaps. Yeah, I won't be eating those. This will just be another soap that I live vicariously through. It was nice while it could. If I can't have all the fall treats, I'm going to die. I need my pumpkin. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Can it be Halloween yet? So we can get this little sir out, and I can just I want to eat all the pumpkin things. There's like Dairy Queen's coming out with a pumpkin butter blizzard, and Dunkin' Donuts and their pumpkin spice lattes. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. So I will be heading to the grocery store this weekend and buying healthy snacks. Just for the next few months. I can do this, right? So this soap will be available on September 22nd. If you guys would like to purchase one, that is the next shop update. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, do think about it. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you have a very nice day. And I will see you later.